drive. We pay a little price for the no air conditioning. I regret it every time. Hour 45, sweating. It was like, anyways, we just arrived to the new hotel. It's up on Rodadero Beach. We've been here before, but not in this hotel. Looks like this. Very peaceful, lots of boats. The beach is down there. There's a few pools at this hotel. There's one there. Our room is up there. Should be a good stay. 48 hours before we head to Minka. So let's enjoy. I hope you like the Rodadero Beach vibe. Just got to our new hotel room. It's pretty good. We're happy to be here. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This is Rodadero Beach. Santa Marta's just around the corner. My name is Adam, and I'm on holidays. For this trip, it really brings out the best in everyone when you get a nice view like this. Now we're back to the luxury. Feeling it here. I like this apartment a lot. Everybody's feeling pretty good, getting rested up, just chilling, nice beds, clean and comfy. Love it.
If you have any words to say, come on and move. This will be the first slide I've done in Colombia so far. So I'm going to do this and then we'll see if we get any more hotels with a slide. Everybody, me and Tava are going to be going down the slide. Wait for me!
Cacti tortoise family.
2, 3.
Here we go.